Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. It's called Singify by Findshare. This amazing AI powered tool allows you to transform any text into singing voices with the seconds. Whether you want to create a fun paradise, music covers or add a unique touch to your videos, Singify makes it super easy and something entertaining. What's great is that it supports different voice style, let you try out and helps you create professionally quality singing without needing any real recording skill. It's perfect for YouTubers, TikTokers, content creators, educators, or even just for having fun with friends. So if you are looking for a creative way to make your content stand out and engage your audience, Singify is definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's get started. As soon as you open the website, you will see an interface that looks something like this. Just like you can see on the screen right now. The UI is quite unique, clean, simple and classy. On the left hand side, you will find variety of options like trending, following, a song generator, a cover generator, a stems filter, a voice cloning and many more powerful features. On the right hand side, you will see additional tools and settings depending on the features you are using. Let's start by exploring the AI song generator. This tool gives you a few great options like prompt to song, lyrics to song, installment generator. First, let's try the prompt to song features. All you need to do is enter your prompt. Basically, describe the kind of song you want, the mood, the vibe, or the emotion you are aiming for. Once you've done that, click the generate button. After that, the AI will rewrite your prompt to better understand the feel and tone of the song you want to create. On the right hand the panel, you will be able to choose the music mood, the music style such as hip hop, rock, jazz and many more. Then you will see the AI singer option you want, where you can select either a male or female voices.
City lights dissolve the day, shadows start to breathe.
Caught in the rhythm of the city lights, spinning like a record in the dead of night. Every step a spark that sets the floor on fire, dancing in a loop, never getting tired.
My heart's a drumming beats in double time, pulse of the pain, syncopated rhyme, veins like verses, arteries clenched tight. Every scar's a stanza, every tear a mic. I rap in red, ink spills from my chest. Water on fire, rhythm won't rest. Like ECG peaks drop, flatline coast, but the beat kicks back, defiant and grows. This heart's a rebel, it don't know the score. Thumps in the dark, knocks on heaven's door. Rhythm and ruin, love and disaster. My chest, the poet, blood's the master. Stethoscope whisper secrets I can't hide.
You can also upload a reference audio if you want the AI to take inspiration from an existing track. Once everything is set, just click on generate and the tool will create your customized AI generated song. Now let me play the song it just made for us.
I never knew love until I saw your face. The world stood still and my heart found its place. Every smile you give feels like the sunrise, painting colors deep inside my skies. And when the nights feel cold, you're the warmth I hold. Every step, every dream, you're the reason I believe.
So guys, as you just saw and heard, how amazing is that? The AI generated such a cool track and honestly I really liked it. Make sure you give these features a try. It's definitely worth exploring. So here's how it works. First you just paste your lyrics to script inside the box. Then select a music style, for example hip hop, rock, jazz or even nature inspired music. After that, choose a singer voice from the list. Next, give your song a title, and if you want, you can add some extra customization. Finally, just click the generate button. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes, but once it's done, boom, your complete song is ready.
Every heartbeat calls your name. Since you came, nothing feels the same. Like a river running to the sea. My soul was always searching for thee. And when the night turns into day, your love will never fade away. Every dream I ever knew led me closer, closer to you, closer to you. That's where I belong. In your arms I've been strong all along. Every step, every breath that I take is a promise.
I already tried and I honestly the results were mind-blowing. The generated track sounded polite, romantic and really authentic. Just click a professional made song. Now let me move on the third feature. So guys, after this step you can either paste a YouTube song link or upload your own sound directly here. Once that's done, simply click on the switcher button. Here you will find plenty of voice cloning options. You can try out both male and female. For example, let me show you by selecting a female voice. After choosing the song, I just click the select female voice and click on the generate button. As you can see, the song has now been generated. Let's play it. You can hear how it sounds with a female voice.
They say the holy water's watered down in this town.
Now let me try it again with a male voice. I will just select a male option and click generate and again the song is ready. Let's play it and check it how it sounds.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after.
So guys, this is how easily you can use this feature to cover songs in both male and female voices. If we explore the more tools section, Singify offers even more amazing features like image to song, AI voice remover, AI playlist name generator, AI YouTube name generator and many more. So guys, this was the full review of Singify.ai. The link is available in the video description box below. Make sure to check it out. It's a really powerful tool with some amazing features and I highly recommend trying it out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.